Glamorous one, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha and I'm back with another video. Yes, if you're new, subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I upload. And then you are oldie, welcome back. It's good to see y'all. I know you're happy to see me. So I've been out doing this old pandemic quarantine. The coronavirus is just driving me nuts. You got to social distance yourself and stuff like that. I'm like, I want to see my friends. I want to talk to somebody. I want to go somewhere. I want to go out of town, but luckily, quarantine, pandemic, this coronavirus took a lot for me this month. I supposed to be in my trip to Miami, and man, I'm mad. Yes, so we're not gonna talk about that. As you know by the title, this is a makeup haul from BH Cosmetics, and I picked some stuff up from BH Cosmetics and ordered some stuff. It took long enough to get here, but I'm happy it got here safely and sound, and I'm happy. So I'm happy to share with you what I got. So before we get into the video, make sure you follow all my social media, including my business account, Mimi Glam Beauty, and follow my personal Instagram, Glamorous Mimi, and follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, all the other social media. But I can't think right now because it's like 11:54 at night, and I'm just trying to do this video because I've been procrastinating about doing this video. So I'm just stop chit chat and just like roll into the video. The first palette I got was the color Vivace, and it's come in a little sleeve, and this palette was ranging from $12, I think, and it has some nice colors. It has a mirror, as you can see, some mirror, and I'm gonna show you the shades. The shades are really cute. They are gorgeous as hell, excuse my French, but I love it. And it got a lemon smell. Yes, a lemon smell. So order you this palette, and I'm not lying, it does have a lemon smell. I'm not tripping at all. I'm not sick, but it has a lemon smell. So get you one, girl. So this the palette I got, the color Vivace. I might not say it right, but honey, get you the palettes. The next palette I got from BH Cosmetics is the Digital Future, and the Digital Future has a mirror as well and has amazing shades. So, and this palette runs at $12. So BH Cosmetics have a sidewise sale. The last time I checked, a sideways sale for 60% off, and I'm not for sure they're having it right now, but I see some things are half off. So yeah, the next palette I have from a collaboration here on YouTube from Jose Love It Prince. I hope I say his name right. I'm sorry if I say your name wrong. I'm so sorry. Don't come for me. So don't come for me. But his palette is so amazing, and I love the shades. Like, can y'all see that? Just look at it, and I admire this purple and this nope, this pink and purple. Lord, I need to go to bed already. Damn. So this palette, it has amazing shade. It has a mirror, and I'm supposed to be doing a look, and I hope I'm able to do this look correctly late at night. So bear with me, y'all. If I fuck up, do not come for me. If I messed up, not come for me. The last palette I have is Trendy in Tokyo, and this palette is running for $16, and this is more of a neon brights palette. If you are a neon bright person, I would suggest you to get this palette because you love neon colors, and so do I. So I got the palette, so I'm gonna use it. Yes, God gave me my coins, so I'm gonna use it and get whatever I want. Okay. So yes. Oh, I forgot to mention, BH Cosmetic gave me a free sponge, a beauty sponge, when I order over a certain amount, or just gave it away for free. Yeah, basically when you order over a certain amount, they gave out free stuff. So I got this beauty sponge, and that was some more stuff, but I just got what I got, and I'm out on the website. So the palette I choose to do my look is Trendy in Tokyo. So we got about to work out this palette. Okay. So my brows is already set, and my face is primed and all ready. So let's get into this makeup look. Okay. The first shade we're gonna start is with this shade. This purple shade named Kyoto. What is, I have it at the bottom of the screen. I'm gonna start with this shade, and I'm gonna put it up here. Next, I'm gonna attempt to do a cut crease, but I'm gonna use some white base to bring out my colors that I want to use. So here we go. So no judging. Everybody's not perfect. I ain't gonna say I'm perfect. By far perfect. Yeah. Okay, my cut crease is done. So I'm just putting this shade Waspy right here in the middle. Now I'm gonna take this next shade is Fortune and put it on my outer corner of my eye, if that makes sense. Yeah. I made the name of this Fortune. I kept looking at it, and damn, I missed the whole word. Fortune. And let me tell y'all, BH Cosmetic pull through, honey. They did their thing. The next shade I'm gonna take is emoji right here, and put it in the corner of my eye. Knock on the door and the night begins. 'Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Okay, y'all, this is the final look of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna just come back and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. And y'all wondering what in my inner duct. I got sushi, this orange color right here, sushi. I put that, and I will be right back. So I'm back. So far, I really love this palette. My cut crease didn't come out as well as like other professional, but I'm still learning to do the cut crease anyway. Some days I can get it right, some days I can't. But this is the final look. Yes. And the lashes I'm wearing is my lashes Ambitious. So if you follow me on my business page and you know what Ambitious look like, please purchase. I'm accepting purchase through my DMs. And first, I know about the Trendy in Tokyo. I really love it. I will purchase again if I have to, and I may just give this one, make a giveaway, and buy purchase another one for my next giveaway. So stay tuned. I never know. This will be my first giveaway, so I'm really excited, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. It's like so short. I just cut things out, and some things I just prefer to do off camera. But anyway, yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope you like it. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow my social media. And I'll see y'all glamorous babes in the next video. Bye.
I really doubt you understand. My life is easy when I ain't around you. I ain't tryna mess your business up, and I ain't tryna get you in the stuff. But the way you touching on me in the club, rubbing on my miniatures, John Hancock, the signature. Anytime I hear it, know she feeling for it, dude. And every time we get up, always end up on the news. Ain't worry about no press, and ain't worry about the next shit. They love the way you dress and ain't got up on you. Hey, Stepping, either you want it or you just playing. I'm listening to you knowing I can't believe what you're saying. It's a million views, baby boo, so don't be dumb. I got 99 problems, but you won't be one. Like what? Work. So just wanna work,